Hi everyone, welcome back to Avishkar. We are into the video series of executing Python code in presentation slides. In previous video, we saw how to configure the theme and alter the transition between the slides. In today's video, we will see how to fine tune the slides using custom CSS file. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Previously, we had two files, basic slide IPYNB file, then Python presentation IPYNB file. We'll start the Jupyter Notebook server. Rise uses two custom CSS files that are linked to the slides from the project directory location. Those are rise.css file and nb filename.css, that is notebook filename.css. Rise.css file is added to all the notebook in the directory, whereas the file name.css will be added particularly to that notebook slide alone. If we need to alter fonts in all the notebook files, then it is best to use it in rise.css. If we need to alter particular customization in a particular notebook file, then we can choose the file name.css file. We'll see with basic slide.ipynb file. We will see the slideshow before altering the content. We can see we have the slides, slide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I want to alter the font of the particular slide, I can go and create a file here with new text file. The name of the file, I'll change it to rise.css. Okay. Now I require a font which I need to use it in the presentation. For that, I'll go for Google Fonts. From Google Fonts, you can choose the font of your wish. Yeah, I'll choose with this one. Click on Get Font. So here, I'll be choosing with at import. Copy this, paste it on the first line. And then this is the font name which we need to use. Entering. So I'll go and choose for H1 tag, then font family with this. One more important thing is here we need to add exclamatory important, because sometimes the we don't know the order of the CSS file, so we may get the previous font itself. For that, this font to take effect, add exclamatory important so that this font will be used. Save, come over here, refresh the page, click on rise. Now here we can see the font of the slides are being altered. Now it is not going to change only with the basic slide. It is also going to change for Python presentation IPYNB file also. So now here we can see, as we have configured previously to turn on the presentation directly. So we are into the presentation mode and we can see that the heading tag is been altered. The font of the heading tag is altered. Here you can see still H2 is in the previous one itself. Say for example, only for this file, I need to alter the heading 2 content also with that same font. Then I need to create a file of CSS with the same name as this notebook file. The CSS file name should be same as the notebook file name file with the extension dot CSS. Now here I'll take the same and I'll make this H2. Okay. Then for the paragraph tag, I'll use a different font. So okay, for showcasing, I'll use this font. Choose the font which matches. I will remove the old one. This is not required as of now. Okay. Import. Then here, font family. Save it. Now save and refresh the file. It affected. Now here we can see the heading 2 is also altered to that particular font, because here in this python underscore presentation.css we have informed that heading 2 also should be of this. Then p tag, we can see the font has been altered here in the p tag. Okay, on the p tag it is altered. Here it is with ul and li, so it has not been altered. On the p tag you can see the font is altered. Now if I want to make this heading to be in the center, that is h1 to be in the center of all the slides, then I want it to be only in the python presentation file. Then what I can do, I can alter the css only for that particular file. I'll add text alignment to be center, and I'll do this for h2 also. Save it, close, save, refresh. Now here we can observe automatically the heading 1 is added to the center, then heading 2 is also in the center now. Okay, but if we go to basic slides, save, refresh, still it is in the left side, because here we are, it is using only rise.css. But for this python underscore presentation file, we are also using rise.css. Along with that, we are also using python underscore presentation dot css. So rise adds two css files from the project directory, and you should make sure that these css files are present along with the Jupyter Notebook file. It should be present along with the Jupyter Notebook file. It's not only with the font, we can also fine tune different parameters on the slides. Like say for example, if I want to make this link to be in a different color, okay, then I'll add it directly in the rise.css, so that in any presentation I require it to be with a color of something like greenish in color. Then here a tag, that is anchor tag, color green, important, save it. Now coming over to this, save, refresh. Now if we go to the slide, here you can see the anchor tag has been changed to green color. Anchor tag has been changed to green color. Okay, like this we can fine tune the slides as we require by altering css with rise.css, which is applied to all the notebook file, and the CSS file with the file name similar to the notebook file, and that CSS will be applied only to that particular notebook slides. And that's it for this video. In the next video, we will see how to convert already available Jupyter Notebook file into presentation slides. Like there are many notebook files which have been uploaded in Matplotlib, Pandas, all those things. By downloading those and converting it to slides. If you like this video, click on the like button. And if you have any queries, drop them in the comment section. We'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.